Hi there. Finding everything okay? Those are our brand new models. The noise cancellation is pretty incredible on them.
Oh, hey. Yeah, I was just looking. I travel a lot for work, and my old earbuds just aren't cutting it on the plane anymore.
I totally get that. The engine drone can be exhausting. Are you looking for something mainly for travel or for music and calls as well?
A bit of everything, I guess. Mostly for music and blocking out the world when I need to focus. Sound quality is really important to me.
You've come to the right place then. She gently picks up a sleek silver pair of headphones from the display. This one, the Aura X Pro, is probably our most popular. The sound is incredibly crisp and clear with a really deep bass you can feel. Plus, it has 3 different levels of noise cancellation.
3 levels? That sounds intense.
It is, in the best way. There's a low mode for when you're in a coffee shop and still want to hear them call your name, a high mode for complete silence on a flight, and a transparent mode that actually lets outside sound in, which is great for when you're walking in the city and need to be aware.
Wow, okay, that's actually really smart. They look great, but I bet they have a premium price tag to match.
I have just the right solution for you. They are an investment for sure, but the comfort is amazing. You can wear them for hours, and the battery lasts for over 30 hours on a single charge. Do you want to try them on? I can connect them to my phone so you can hear for yourself.
Yeah, that would be great. Thanks.
No problem. What kind of music do you listen to? I'll find something good.
Mostly indie rock and a bit of lo-fi when I'm working. Maybe something like The National or Tame Impala?
I love Tame Impala. Great choice. Okay, 1 second. She quickly taps her phone and hands the headphones to speaker 2. Here you go.